Before time began, there was nothing, no light, no sound, only a formless void, deep waters and silence. But then, a voice broke through eternity. "Let there be light," and light appeared, piercing the endless darkness. The first dawn shimmered across the void, revealing form, movement, and brilliance. God saw that the light was good. He separated the light from the darkness, day from night. Then God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters." The heavens stretched open, a blue canopy separating the waters below from the waters above. The first sky was born, vast and alive with breath. And God said, "Let the waters be gathered, and let dry ground appear." Mountains rose from the depths, rivers cut through stone, valleys and plains spread wide. Then the land burst with life, seed-bearing plants and fruit-bearing trees of every kind. God saw that it was good. Then God set lights in the heavens, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He scattered stars across the endless sky, marking times, seasons, and years. And it was good. Then the waters teemed with life, giant sea creatures, shimmering schools of fish, and coral kingdoms. Above, wings spread across the air, eagles, sparrows, and every bird of flight. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply." And God said, "Let the land produce living creatures." From the soil came lions, elephants, and all that moves upon the ground. Then, a divine pause. "Let us make mankind in our image." And so man and woman were formed, reflections of the Creator himself. Life breathed into dust, eyes opened, and it was very good. The heavens and the earth were complete. From chaos came beauty, from darkness, light, from nothing, everything. And God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. And God saw that it was very good.